Suffer the reps or suffer the regret. Welcome sa lat pull down day. Hindi barbell, hindi dumbbell, cable at bakal lang, pero sapat na para buuin yung pakpak na hindi lang pangporma, pangdigma. The body achieves what the mind negotiates. At ngayon utak ko gusto na bumitaw, pero yung lats ko gutom pa. Every rep is a conversation with who I was yesterday. At si yesterday mahina grip nun. First, wide grip lat pull down. Binubuka mo yung likod mo. Parang binubuka mo yung limits mo. Hindi mo lang hinihila pababa yung bar. Hinihila mo pababa lahat ng hindi mo kaya yan. Na sinabi sa'yo. 1. Pull. At a time. Controlled. Walang daya. The cable doesn't lie. Marcus Aurelius didn't skip lat day. Kasi alam niya, a wide back carries wide responsibility. Pag dumating yung bigat ng buhay, hindi balikat mo yung sasalo. Likod mo, so we build wings. Not to fly away from problems, but to carry them. Next, close grip pull down. Palapit, masikip, mas personal. Dito mo mararamdaman na hindi lahat ng laban malawak. Minsan kailangan mo lang hilahin palapit yung goal mo. Palapit sa dibdib, palapit sa puso. Squeeze, feel it. This is where strength meets focus. Napapagod na kamay mo? Good. Pain today, philosopher king tomorrow. Yung sunog sa lats mo? That's your old self burning off. Yung version mo na sumusuko sa 8th rep. Not today. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Gusto mo bumitaw, pero ang gusto mo talaga, yung V-taper na hindi mabibili. Next, reverse grip pull down. Iba yung angle, iba yung laban. Minsan sa buhay, kailangan mo baliktarin yung approach mo. Kung ayaw sa wide, try close. Kung ayaw sa overhand, try underhand. Adapt, pull anyway. Because the mind negotiates, but the body just works. Finisher single arm lat pull down. Solo mo na to, walang tulong yung kabila. Ganyan din sa buhay. May mga bigat na ikaw lang bubuhat. Walang spotter, walang cheer. But you pull, kasi malakas ka na kahit mag-isa. A strong back is a quiet statement. I can carry more, even alone. Tapos na, the cable is heavy, but so was the weight of my excuses. At ngayon magaan na. You didn't just hit lats today. You trained your will. You chose the hard rep over the easy regret. Sa susunod na may humila sa'yo pababa, maalala mo itong araw na to. Na marunong ka na humila pabalik, pataas. Because you don't find strength. You build it, one pull at a time. Dien, this is lat day. This is philosophy. This is you, becoming unbreakable.